Hi guys, another day, another gala. We are going to Cagayan de Oro City today because my mother wants to visit Divine Mercy. Saan ba yun? El Salvador. Let's go, let's explore, and let's enjoy our Sunday because tomorrow is Monday na naman. So, going back to regular routines, klase, work, and a lot more. Okay, so while it's still weekend and the mom wants to go to Divine Mercy, okay, let's go. But it's just that the nanay wants to go, so what else can we do? Let's go! Enjoy the day! Muna kay manhigod to na. So what can you say about Divine Mercy?
Wow, it's very quiet.
What else?
It's very neat.
What do you want to do here?
Take a picture.
Did they mag-pray?
Really? How did I?
Did they mag-pray og managkot sis? Si Pating. What do you wanna do here?
Ako, namugos ko na nga mauban dire kay managkot. Mario first.
Hapit na good na mo siya matagak. Dapat din siya uban kasi gina siya glaag, no?
Oh, actually, wako sa budget. Last minute naman ko niyo ban. Mukha whistleblower ano mo.
Oh. Magod sa makadiri.
Wala, managkot lang. Ampo, gamay.
Nag-toothbrush ka to?
Wala ka ba? Kalimot ko. Mag-upat na kadlaw.
Oh. Dili mag-pray. Murag lahi. Igahang planong pa itong taho. Taho sa Divine Mercy. Lame.
Ida ko ba ba?
Ikaw, kamusta makadiri? How are you? How are you, plant? Let's go, guys. Let's explore the place. Na guys, lumita na tag spot for picture. And it's a pizza. It's a whole lot of pizza. Good luck to us, guys. Now, at Kitkay. Nangagimi sa north.
butong na.
Hi guys! Okay, so we are just waiting for our order. What are we going to eat? We ordered shrimp, fisherman's catch, rice, sabaw, and tuna belly. Okay, so let's wait. In a bit, our order will arrive na. Kalami ang sabaw sa red tail. Good for one sabaw. Wow, perfect. Charot. Di pa lupig.
Gradual.
What's your verdict?
Magpis ko nga isda.
How is it?
Magpis ko nga isda.
Feedback.
Naman? I cannot
On a
taste.
scale of 1 to 10.
It's 8. Because 10 pag sa balay giluto.
Pero above average.
Di ba ako mamagsakan?
We. Mang-tres lang.
250. Dami kong suki dyan. 250 kasi friendly ako. Tapos 2. Nagbibigay naman ako ng flat 1 pag mabait. Charis. Pag babait. Pag laging nakikinig sa sa instructions. Yung
Lagi dili mo. Focus.
naawat na rin ako. Char. Crabs. First time mo diri anay ganun ka ako diri. Bill reveal. Tadam! Guys, so we're busog na. And fresh na akong teeth. Toothbrush na. Ang uban nira, makadalag toothbrush. Monday na naman bukas. Work na naman. Are you happy with your work?
Naluya ko busog. Of course.
Why are you happy?
Because I always do my best to my work.
Eh. Are you happy with your life?
Sometimes. Tomorrow, no.
Every Monday, no?
Every weekday. Diyan. Nanay.
Tatay, are you happy with your life? Cinema 1 and chill. Going home. God bless our way. Thank you so much for the fudang.
I'm so full.
Thank you for watching.
Vincent.
See you on our next vlog.
Thank you,
Thank you for
ma'am.
watching.
Thank you sa sponsor.